In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a fake WhatsApp account with virtual phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to create a fake WhatsApp account without providing your original phone number, then the first thing you need to do is to open your WhatsApp, tap on agree and continue. Okay, as you can see that it's asking for your phone number. So the next thing you need to do is to open your internet browser and you need to go to this website called tempsmss. Tap on search. Now scroll down. Here you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use the virtual phone number to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select any one country. I'll select USA. Now again scroll down. And basically these are the virtual phone numbers that you can use to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select any one number and below that tap on receive SMS option. Now copy this phone number and go back to WhatsApp. Paste the phone number here, but first enter the country code. For USA it's 1. Then tap on next. Click on yes. Okay, now a verification code will be sent to this phone number. So in order to get that verification code, you need to go back to the website, scroll down, and here in this inbox section you will receive the OTP code. Once you have received the code, all you have to do is to copy it and then paste it on WhatsApp. And once you have done that, your fake WhatsApp account with virtual phone number will be created. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.